Welcome to the Open Outdoors YouTube channel. In this video, I'm walking to a remote location, building a survival shelter, and using it to stay warm in a cold environment, and I'm bringing you along with me. There's cobwebs everywhere, they keep getting in my face. They're going between all the trees. It's a healthy population of spiders out here. Here's the hut again. So after about a month and a half or two, most of it's still there. I'm thinking that just here is going to be a perfect spot to build a hut. I can just lash up a beam between like here and this tree here. I'm not really sure why, but it does seem that a lot of these trees blow down or they get struck by lightning. Because I find a lot of trees out here that have been struck by lightning and they kind of just fall down and split in half or whatever. There we go. Easy enough. Now you may be asking, well, it looks like I cut down the trees here, but really I didn't. You see, this is part of the same branch, and all I did was cut it in half. Right, so I've just done a square lashing here. It's basically just around the tree and around this, and then you just kind of tighten it with these two ropes right here. However, it's the only bit of rope I have apart from the rope that I keep on my knife. I have to make some flax ropes. Right, that's all the wood that I've cut. I'm going to put it on the hut now. Right, now I'm on the hunt for manuka branches such as these. It's gone 12 o'clock now, and I got here at about 11, so we still got about a good 5 hours of good light. I'm actually going to use this material for my bedding. That's because you lose 4 times the amount of heat through the ground rather than through the air. So it's really important in cold conditions that you need some material underneath you, between you and the ground, and that can actually really insulate you. Because the way the sleeping bag works is that if it's all crunched up, it's not going to be insulating properly. And all the heat's just going to be going through like a really thin layer of the sleeping bag into the ground. This will really help kind of make that couple centimeters space between you and the ground, and that'll keep me really warm throughout the night. There you go, I just put a bar over the top like that. And I can also hang stuff from here now. So that's helpful, but it's keeping this tarp spread out. Right, hut's finished. Since there's not much to do out here in the woodlands, I've decided to do some carving, and it's kind of getting late anyway. The sun's probably going to go down in about half an hour or an hour or so. If you smell it, it kind of smells like Manuka still. Yeah, once that sun goes down, it definitely gets a lot more chilly. Right, so it's pretty much just got dark. It's a very clear night, that's for sure. You can see some stars through the gaps in the trees. Right, so for dinner, just gonna have some rice and some beans. I've got some beans somewhere. Alright, let's pop that rice on there. My rice just started boiling, so just let it sit around now. Here's my dinner. Something really nice and simple. It's just beans and rice. Now you might be wondering why I haven't lit a fire. Well, the reason to that is because in this season it's still a bit dry to light fires. And I just haven't really found any sufficient information that lets me light fires in this specific area. So I'm not going to do that. It's pretty much just gone about 8:40. So it's been dark for nearly 3 hours now. And there's not really much to do, so I'm thinking I'm just going to hit the hay and see you guys in the morning. Oh, good morning. It's just gone 7:30 now, and it is light, but it's still dark inside my shelter. The clouds came over last night, so it's actually quite warm this morning. It's probably about 10, 12 degrees. That's a lot warmer than it was last night. Yeah, anyway, I need to get up and get some breakfast. So I've just finished breakfast and now I'm going to start packing up and get going. Something I figure I'll just mention now is these sleeping bag temperature ratings. So that says -5 right there. It's probably more about 0. When it's like fully expanded like this, it's going to be giving the most insulation. And a lot of the time, they just don't tell the truth. Had to take the hut down. It looks the exact same, to be honest. Thank you for watching this video. I have many other similar videos on my channel, so go check them out.